IT department restructuring. DataPro Inc. is growing, and so our workload is increasing. But our IT department is not dealing with this increase effectively. So I am dividing the IT department into 3 sections: quality assurance, data processing, and information security. The responsibilities of each section are: quality assurance, testing hardware, providing technical support; data processing, writing code, organizing data; information security, encoding online data transfers, updating security software. These changes are not simple or easy, but smaller groups deal with tasks more efficiently than larger ones. See your supervisors for your new section assignment. Thomas Jenkins, CEO, DataPro Incorporated.
From bruce.roberts@tei.com to chris.carter@techmagazine.net. R.E. TEI Computers? Thanks for including TEI Inc. in your article on workplace technology. We have many types of computers at our disposal. First, all employees receive desktop computers, but we only use those for word processing and spreadsheets. Of course, some programs are too powerful for desktops, so many employees use the faster workstations. And we do have a few laptops and tablets. However, employees only use them on business trips. Most employees just answer email with their smartphones. The new server provides access to all printers. Finally, our mainframe processes our largest data files. No need for a supercomputer yet. Regards, Bruce Roberts.
The Glacier Gazette, December 17. Assembly instructions. Step number 1. First, gather your parts. These include a motherboard, power supply, processor, case, heat sink, fan, RAM, expansion cards, hard drive, and disk drive. Step number 2. Next, attach the motherboard to the case. Then, connect the processor to the motherboard's primary socket. Step number 3. Attach the heatsink and cooling fan to the processor. Step number 4. Insert the RAM card into an open memory slot. Put any expansion cards into the expansion slots. Step number 5. Connect your hard drive to the motherboard and power supply. Step number 6. Close the case and connect the power supply.
Computers International, May issue, page 14. Peripherals. Device. Description. Cost. S57 keyboard. This input device is available in 3 languages. It has a USB connection. $75. Standard mouse. Our mouse has a wireless connection, 2 buttons, and a scroll wheel. $64. EP320 scanner. This scanner reads documents up to 216 millimeters by 297 millimeters. $179. PR15 microphone. Our microphone collects crystal clear sound. $56. LCD monitor. Our LCD, liquid crystal display monitors offer crisp images and take up little space. $167. PrintPro 2000 printer. The PrintPro 2000 produces color pictures and documents quickly. $99. Soft Touch touchscreen. The touch screen allows input without a keyboard and is programmable for many uses. $280.
PC Tech, Volume 29, Number 3, Solutions for Networking. Network Troubleshooting. People often call IT professionals about network connection problems, but many problems are easy to fix without help. First, reconnect any loose Cat5 cable connections. Next, investigate IP address issues. This group of numbers allows communication on the Internet. Renewing your DHCP fixes most IP problems. Next, check the router. The router links LANs to the Internet. Make sure the router's configuration is correct. WLANs have other problems. Interference often blocks their wireless signals. But there is a simple solution. Just move the router away from walls and metals. Finally, cycle the network. Turn all equipment off for a full minute, and then restart.
Beginner's Guide, the new CCC operating system. Welcome to the CCC OS. Review these key terms before starting your new system. Icons. The CCC Graphical User Interface, GUI, uses icons. These pictograms are on the desktop. They represent files and software. Pointer. Use the pointer to click on icons. This opens files or starts software. The pointer also drags files to different folders. Shortcuts. Shortcuts are special icons. They are placed on the desktop, and you can click them to get to a program quickly. Folders. Store your files in these icons. Windows. Visual areas on a computer screen where different programs are operating. Minimize. Hide windows without taking them off screen. Maximize. Extend windows to the full width of the screen. Menu. Each window has a menu. Click it to select a command from the list.
Introducing Word Processing Typewrite 4.0. You need the perfect word processing program. And the new Typewrite 4.0 is our best version yet. Write bold, striking documents. Use our many stylish fonts. Change your layout with a single click. Browse the new customizable templates. Customize toolbars for easier formatting. It's more than a new look. Typewrite 4.0 eliminates most compatibility issues. Now, dozens more file formats work with Typewrite. And Typewrite 4.0 allows up to 500 macros, so save time as you type. Typewrite 4.0 also features the most accurate spell check to date. Word processing. Typewrite 4.0, because your documents speak for you.
T.B. Brown, Inc. Instructions for new employee email accounts. Welcome to T.B. Brown Industries. Please create your company email account immediately. Follow these steps. 1. Open our email client software. It sends and receives emails. It also stores them on your computer. 2. Click Add Account. 3. Enter your new email address. Use your first and last name with our domain name, firstname.lastname@tbbrowninc.com. 4. Enter our POP3 server for incoming email. pop.quicktell.net. 5. Enter our SMTP server for outgoing email, smtp.quicktell.net. 6. Enter your username and password. Our ISP provides one account per employee. It is for company communications and attachments only. Use a webmail provider for personal email. T.B. Brown, Inc., Information Technology Department. 2. All employees of T.B. Brown Incorporation. From IT Department. Please be aware of these changes to the company website. The new URL is http://tbbrownincorp.com. The site has a new web host. The new host supports higher traffic to the site. The site also loads quicker. The site has new HTML codes. They include several additional meta tags. Our site now receives more traffic from search engines. All web browsers now support our graphics. The hyperlinks open new pages. Customers do not navigate away from the original page. We expect increased sales on the www as a result of these changes.
Graphic Arts. Page 34, November issue. Nowadays, anyone can edit graphics, but new users encounter many difficulties. Here are some common problems and solutions. Problem: the image is dark or has a strange tint. Cause: poor exposure or bad lighting. Solution: adjust the contrast using a graphic editing program. Problem: there is white space around the image. Solution: crop the picture. This removes unnecessary parts. Problem: the photograph is blurry. Cause: low resolution. Solution: increase the number of pixels in the image. This makes it sharper. Or resize the picture and make it smaller. Also, save the photo as a JPEG file. This format creates high-quality photographs.
T.B. Brown, Inc., Information Technology Department. From IT Department. To all users. RE, spreadsheets versus database. Currently, many employees use spreadsheets incorrectly. They are not for data storage. Please review the following guidelines. Use our database program to organize and sort large amounts of data regarding clients, enter the client names and addresses into the database fields, perform complex queries, search multiple tables for client information. Use our spreadsheet program to perform calculations about cost and revenue, create formulas using different functions and operators. Use this to analyze sales data, create graphs and charts that show profits. Use the data in the cells of a worksheet to create these charts.
Now offering Spring Professional Development Courses. Website Review Solutions. Website Review Solutions now offers 2 spring classes. These classes focus on creating websites. Web Development. Learn how to make a simple website. Create coding to build sites. Explore ways to expand functionality. Discuss improving navigation and usability. Learn ways to increase a website's visibility. Web Design. Learn how to change a website's appearance. Use CSS to change a website's style. Compare the effect of different fonts and colors. Create attractive content to catch a user's attention. Email Mary Shelton at mshelton@wrsolutions.com to register for classes.
Top quality recruits. Golden Prairie Publishing. Now hiring desktop publishing specialist. Golden Prairie Publishing is hiring a desktop publishing specialist. Qualification skills must include 2+ years work in the field. Position requires college degree. Experience with desktop publishing software. A background in graphic communications and design. Skill to create electronic pages for print. Using text and clip art to make expert page layouts. Planning skills. Ability to turn a first sketch into a comprehensive layout. Experience working with electronic paper. Familiarity with offset lithography or electrostatic printing methods, but not essential as full training will be given. To apply, send a cover letter and resume to HRexec at gldprairiepublishing.com.
From Chuck Roberts. To Brad Smith. Subject: Purchase Request. Mr. Smith, at present we travel a lot to meet with our business partners. I propose that we use video conferencing instead. It saves time and reduces costs. We only need a webcam to do basic video conferencing. However, a dedicated system is even better. It allows us to do multi-point video conferences, and it supports document sharing. It also has an echo cancellation feature. The system comes with a camera and TV monitor. It also comes with a codec, but we need to order a video bridge separately. We also need to make sure we have high bandwidth internet access. Still, it offers big savings. Let me know your thoughts. Chuck Roberts.
From johnson.mark@bargainequipment.com. To amanda.jackson@marketing.tfcgaming.com. Subject: Lowest Price Affiliate Program. Dear Miss Jackson, our advertising at brick-and-mortar gaming shops is not producing video game equipment sales. Those consumers are much more active in e-commerce. So, we at bargainequipment.com want TFC Gaming to become an affiliate. Our program works in the following manner. You display our banner when customers view their shopping cart. This directs traffic our way. TFC Gaming earns a percentage of sales from that traffic. We pay a smaller percentage for increases in page views without sales. Our FAQs explain that affiliates are not responsible for our products. We do ask that affiliates obtain a digital certificate with our preferred certificate authority. Contact me with any questions. Regards, Mark Johnson, Marketing Director, bargainequipment.com.
AVN Pharma Education.